I can't talk about Pirates because there is no point.
That's right. Yona ya winner Pirates.
Yeah.
Especially kangadi winning.
And on top of the log.
Yeah.
Sundown, they were speaking in Seabody that no, we eat Christmas
Yes.
when we're number one.
Yes.
Now is the thing of the past.
Pirates ga ukabolela ka cup ya serious. CAF,
Yeah.
Nedbank.
Yeah.
That why Premiership.
Yeah.
Ngeke usayibona Pirates.
Yeah.
Pirate is on the edge of winning the league.
Yeah. Nokungakabona mfethu. Without jealous Pirates arifendilo.
I-Orlando Pirate never ithathi league. I-Kaizer Chiefs ingakayithathi league.
We are in a very abusive relationship, Chiefs.
Yeah.
She's no longer Ramututu.
Yeah.
She's Mkokorosh.
ntho e leng teng ha ba ile batla pudi e white ya virgin ba sebedise moroto wa yona ba jale ka yona o tla bona dintho di tlo buleya.
The management must take us serious.
Yes. Yeah, we're here for them to manage to take us serious.